Mm-hmm. 2200. Yeah. 136.50. Alright, with that, give me. I'm about to say, give me 1 minute because my phone is dying. So let me get into the house real quick. Uh. Alright. Just relax for a couple of days. And they gave me they just told me to keep taking my asthma pump and I'll be good.